How to enable dark mode in DataCamp. Are guys facing issue to turn on dark mode in DataCamp application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open DataCamp on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now just simply look at the right bottom of your screen where you'll be able to view these options for settings. Tap on Settings. After you click on Settings, you will be provided with multiple options over here. Just simply look at these options where you can see this icon for appearance. Tap on Appearance. Now select the theme according to your preference. You are looking to turn on dark mode, right? Just simply select the second option and your app will instantly change to dark mode. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna change the dark mode on DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.